You've been told to eat healthy. You try your best every day. But what if your efforts are secretly making things harder for managing diabetes? What if the very foods you think are helping are actually working against you? The truth might surprise you. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by managing diabetes? Like it's a constant battle with food choices and blood sugar numbers? The frustration can be immense. You want to feel good, to have energy, to enjoy life without constant worry. But sometimes it feels like an uphill climb. Many seniors and their caregivers struggle with this daily. The guilt of a high reading, the confusion over conflicting advice. It can feel like a burden you carry alone. You deserve to feel empowered. You deserve clarity and control over your health. This isn't just about numbers, it's about your quality of life. The secret to better diabetes management isn't just what you eat, it's how you prepare it and how you plan ahead. Meal prepping can be a game changer for seniors with diabetes. It removes daily stress. It ensures consistent, healthy choices. Think about it. No more last-minute unhealthy options. No more guessing what to eat. Just delicious, balanced meals ready when you are. This isn't about complicated recipes or spending all day in the kitchen. It's about smart strategies. It's about making your life easier. One common mistake is relying on processed diet foods. These often contain hidden sugars or unhealthy fats. They can sabotage your efforts. Another challenge is portion control. Even healthy foods can raise blood sugar if eaten in excess. Meal prepping helps you manage this perfectly. The key is understanding simple diabetes-friendly ingredients and then preparing them in advance. This gives you power over your plate. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing your next meal is already prepared, knowing it supports your health goals. This approach can significantly improve your blood sugar control. It can boost your energy levels. It can even reduce your A1C over time. I wish I'd known this simple truth sooner. The impact on daily life is profound. It's a breakthrough realization for many. So how do we make healthy, diabetes-friendly meal prep easy for seniors? It starts with a few simple steps. First, choose your focus. Pick 1 or 2 meals to prep for the week. Breakfasts and lunches are often the easiest starting points. Second, select diabetes-friendly ingredients. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, or beans are excellent. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers are vital. Healthy fats from avocados or olive oil are beneficial. Third, simplify your cooking methods. Roasting vegetables is easy and flavorful. Grilling or baking proteins requires minimal effort. Slow cookers can be your best friend for stews and soups. Here are 3 easy diabetes-friendly meal prep ideas. 1. Overnight oats with berries and nuts. Combine rolled oats, unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Add a handful of fresh berries and a few chopped nuts in the morning. This is a perfect balanced breakfast. 2. Baked salmon with roasted asparagus. Bake salmon fillets with lemon and herbs. Roast asparagus with a drizzle of olive oil. Portion these into containers for quick, healthy lunches or dinners. 3. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Cook lean chicken breast strips with a medley of colorful, non-starchy vegetables. Use a low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. This reheats beautifully and is packed with nutrients. Remember to use appropriate portion sizes. A dietitian can help you determine your specific needs, but generally, fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with a healthy carbohydrate source. This isn't just about food. It's about reclaiming your health. It's about feeling vibrant and strong. You have the power to make these positive changes. If this guidance resonated with you, please share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more practical health tips, and comment below with your favorite easy meal prep idea. You are not alone on this journey.